Before you start a composite, it really helps to build a little stash of elements that inspire you. In this video, I'll show 3 images and explain why I'd save them for future creative play. And if you'd like to learn the cutout steps, I've linked that tutorial at the end. When I'm not feeling especially creative, I'll prep by cutting out elements ahead of time. Having these pieces ready to go saves time later, so when inspiration hits, I can dive straight into the creative zone without pausing to choose or cut out elements. Here are 3 examples that I'm going to use to cut out for an element and put it into the stash. I'm going to cut out this little munchkin from the background, and the reason I love this one is that he's actually sitting down, and so I've used him in one composite where I've got him sitting on some steps. Then I don't have to worry about trying to warp the legs to fit it right. But I love the look of this little character here. The next one is one of my buildings, vintage colours. Now, I could use this as a background, but what I'm going to do is cut out this image and save it as an element all ready to go and put it into a composite. The next one is a background that I can use, but what I do love is the boat that's sitting here, and I definitely can cut that out, save it as an element, and use that in one of my composite images.